Good morning everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today in our kitchen we are making some holiday treats and you can eat it at any time of the day, but this is especially for holiday festive times. Today we are making chocolate peanut butter oat balls. For that we have very few ingredients as usual. My kitchen always has very limited ingredients. It is super fast, super easy and super healthy as well. So over here I have to show you one important thing for this recipe is the local honey. It helps fight your immune system as well, and it is from the local bees. So it is more effective than the honey that you can buy from the other places. If you have a farmer's market in your place, definitely go check with them. But this is from our local grocery store, but it is from a local based company. And the next ingredient we have is our gluten-free oats. This is a steel cut oats. You can use any kind of oats for this recipe. And over here is our sunflower oil. And the honey that I showed you right now, that is this one. And then the peanut butter. The peanut butter that I used has no artificial colors, flavors or preservatives. It's just a natural organic peanut butter. The only ingredient is peanuts in that. And over here I have the essence vanilla, and over here it is the organic cacao powder over here. And let's get started. We just have to do a little bit of boiling here, but this is a no-bake cookie as well. Alright, I have my oil here. We're just going to do a medium boil, not too hot. And I'm going to pour my honey here. You can tell that this is really raw honey from a good company too, locally owned. And peanut butter. The process over here is to actually melt our honey and peanut butter. And we are not going to boil or bake our oats today. It's just going to mix it in the end while it is hot. Oh, it's really sticky. Okay, as you can see, it's bubbling a little bit. You don't want it to be over boiled, just for like a 1 minute or so. And I'm adding my cacao powder. You can add 1 to 2 tablespoons depending on the color that you like. It's going to be strong for 2 tablespoons. And a little bit of vanilla. Yeah, always make sure it's on medium heat so it doesn't burn your cookie. And remember, when your cookie is burnt, you have an aftertaste, and nobody likes that, right? Okay, I'm just going to turn it off at this point and then let it blend well. You know, the cacao powder is going to fight its own way because it is very lumpy right now. I'm just going to make it lump free. Now that the stove is off, I'm just going to add the oats. I'm not going to boil them. Just going to add the oats. So 1 cup of oats. And I'm just going to rest it for another 5 minutes for that to come together, and I'll be back. Alright, so I said 5 minutes, but I went ahead and checked it, but it was a little liquidy, so I put it aside for like 30 minutes. Now you can see like it has formed into a very nice dough over here. I'm going to go ahead and transfer it into my glass bowl for us to roll better. You see how well it is forming into a very nice big ball of dough. So now I'm just going to use coconut oil for me to roll it, and I'm going to make like a oat balls, and you can also do like a cookie. It's up to you with your cookie cutters. But before I move on, I want to show this one. This is the sun butter for people who cannot have nuts, and you are allergic to nuts. You can always replace this with sun butter for sure instead of peanut butter or any other butter. And we also have pumpkin seed butter that you can replace that with. So now I'm just going to go ahead and move over here, and I'm going to dip my hand, my palm with the coconut oil so it's easier. I'm going to remove my ring so easier to work with, and I'm just going to go ahead and make a ball. This is a no bake cookie. It smells so delicious. Can't wait to taste it myself. And by the way guys, it is gluten-free, vegan, casein-free, soy-free recipe. It's like a dessert balls. And I hope you tried my other recipe for the dessert balls as well. That is delicious. There are many names to call it because we have multiple ingredients in this, but we also call this the oat chocolate balls. Oat chocolate dessert balls. We have many names for this, but the names are not important because the kids really love it and it just goes off in minutes. Voila! Our chocolate peanut butter oat balls are ready, and these are wonderful for your snacks and even for the summer. We call it holiday treats, but you can also freeze them for a couple of hours and then put it out for your summer fun. And hope you like this video, and please do subscribe to my channel.